Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video let's learn about how to redeem gift card in Best Buy. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for bestbuy.com. So now we'll get into this interface. Now we can see gift card option over here. Simply tap on this. Now you can choose any of the gift card you want. Simply let's go for this one. Now you can add to cart. Once you are done selecting all the gift cards you want, we can go to cart over here and click on checkout. Now we need to enter all the details over here like pickup location and pickup person as well. Now tick mark over here and click on continue to payment information. Now we need to enter our credit or debit card number, our name, billing address, all the required things over here, city, state and zip code. Once we are done, simply click on place your order. After which the gift card will be redeemed. So this is all. This is how we can redeem gift card in Best Buy. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.